Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, we're exploring opposite adjectives, words that are completely different in meaning. You'll see how to use them in simple sentences and learn their correct pronunciation. After each example, you'll have a chance to repeat the words out loud to practice speaking. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and improve your English skills. Let's get started. Strong. The athlete is strong. Weak. I feel weak after running. Bright. The stars are bright tonight. Dim. The light in this room is too dim. Clean. My room is clean. Dirty. The kitchen is dirty. Brave. She is brave enough to climb the mountain. Cowardly. He was too cowardly to admit his mistake. Big. This house is big. Small. I have a small cat. Deep. The lake is very deep in the middle. Shallow. Be careful, this pool is shallow. Quiet. The library is always quiet. Noisy. The market is noisy in the morning. Hot. The soup is hot. Cold. The water is cold. Smooth. The surface of the table is smooth. Rough. The road was rough and full of rocks. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible content. Happy. She feels happy today. Sad. He is sad because it's raining. Fast. The car is very fast. Slow. The turtle is slow. New. This is a new book. Old. My phone is old. Easy. This game is easy. Hard. The test was hard. Polite. She is always polite to strangers. Rude. It's rude to interrupt someone when they're talking. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Your support means a lot.